Okay, we're still in Planning Center groups, and this time, or in this video, we're going to take a look at resources and how to add those to our group. Now, really quickly, over on the left-hand side, we've got those tabs. We've talked about that before. We're going to click on the Resources tab, as we've done here, and you're going to notice a green button in the top right-hand corner. Of course, there's one right in the middle. They both mean the exact same thing. The first time you come to this page, you're going to see them in both places, but I'm going to click on this one up at the top. And you'll notice that I've got two options here. I've got one option to upload a file. That means I can go grab a PDF file, a JPEG, anything that I have that would be helpful for my group members. Maybe I'd like to send a little bit of an overview or a guide that goes along with our Bible study this month. I can link that here. Browse for it, give it a title. I can do a class outline. I can do whatever description goes along with that so everybody knows exactly what we're doing. So maybe in this outline, it'll be the book of Matthew outline that we're going to be going through. And now down below that, I can set the access. Who's going to see this? Is this going to be leaders only, me and my other co-leaders, or is this going to be for everybody? Now in this case, it's going to be all members. But maybe we actually want to upload something that's a little bit more about how we manage the group or how we run the group. Well, if I were to upload something like that, it might just be for leaders only. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to have a file upload. I'm going to browse for it on my computer. I'm going to grab that file, and I'm going to go ahead and upload that group resource. Now, in this other instance, we've got a URL opportunity here. In this case, I can link to something that is actually external. So maybe I've got something sitting out in the cloud somewhere, like a Google Drive, or maybe it's on a Dropbox or something of that nature. I can grab that link, paste it in here, give it a name and a description, and set the access just like we did before. Let's go ahead and give each one of these a try so you can see exactly what that looks like. So let's go ahead and paste that in here real quick. So this is from a Google Drive. I'm just going to go ahead and paste that link in here. And next I'm going to give it a name. So we'll call it the Book of Matthew Overview. And then we'll put a description in here, and we could just say description goes here. And then of course, we're going to make this for all members. So when we go ahead and upload that, click on that, you'll notice that it has a type right off the bat here. It's got a little chain link there, and that stands for link. So we know that it's actually linked outside of groups. Now we can go to that link by clicking here, and we can also edit it and bring that right back up if we need to change anything, or if we actually need to remove it, delete it, start over again. So we can do that there. Now I'm going to go back and add a group resource one more time, and this time I'm going to browse for a PDF file, and I'm going to attach that here, and we're going to do the exact same thing. Okay, once we click that browse button, we're going to go locally on our computer. We're going to select that PDF file, click open. It's going to load it up right next to the button here. Go ahead and do that title again. So we'll call this the Book of Matthew Overview. Oops, got to spell it right though. Now in the description, we'll go ahead and just put description goes here. Same thing again, got to spell that right too. And down here, we're going to make sure all members have access to it. Now we're going to upload that PDF file. And you'll notice now the icon changes. It's got a little page icon with a little Acrobat / PDF icon attached to it, so we know what type of file that is. But now you've got an option to download that file if you need to, or once again, you can edit that link as well and change anything, or sorry, not link, but file itself, and you can change anything that you need to here, including adding a new document if you need to, or deleting it. Okay, that's resources really quick. Next, we're actually going to take a look at attendance taking. So let's jump into attendances next.